Starting a marketing agency can feel like venturing into a thrilling yet challenging adventure. But with the right approach, you're halfway up the mountain. First things first, you need to know what niche you want to target. Instead of trying to be everything to everyone, focus on a specific area. It could be digital marketing, social media marketing, or even content creation. Think of it like opening an ice cream shop. You wouldn't try to serve every flavor under the sun. Instead, you'd pick the ones your local community loves most. Next up, you need to sort out the legal stuff. This is where legalregistration.com comes into play. We help you with the registration process, making it easy for you to get your business up and running. Now, let's talk budget. It's important to set a realistic budget for your agency. Consider costs for things like software, advertising, and maybe even hiring a small team if needed. Remember, starting lean can be a smart strategy. You can always scale up as you grow. Okay, on to building your brand. Your agency's brand is like its personality. It's what people will think of when they hear your name. Make sure your brand reflects your values and what makes your service unique. Don't forget to design a catchy logo and set up a professional website. Speaking of websites, having a strong online presence is non-negotiable. It's like your digital storefront, so make sure it's user-friendly and showcases your services. Share success stories, testimonials, and any case studies to attract potential clients. To build credibility early on, consider offering pro bono or discounted services to a few clients in exchange for testimonials and case studies. This not only helps you gain experience, but also provides valuable social proof to showcase your skills. One of the best ways to get clients is through networking. Attend industry events, join online groups, and connect with like-minded professionals. It's not just about who you know, but who knows you. Building relationships can open doors to opportunities you might not have imagined. And don't forget the power of social media. Platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook can be goldmines for attracting clients and showcasing your work. Be consistent with your posts and engage with your audience to build trust and credibility. Finally, always keep learning. The marketing world is always changing. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools. Consider taking courses or attending webinars to keep your skills sharp. Starting a marketing agency is about taking those first bold steps and staying committed. With passion and perseverance, you can turn your idea into a thriving business. If you need help with the legal side, remember to visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights. Good luck with your marketing journey.